By 2025, almost half of all jobs in Europe will need highly skilled workers. In the future, people will also need some level of digital skills for 90% of all jobs. The lack of basic skills in Europe is striking. 1 in 5 Europeans struggle to read and write. 1 in 4 Europeans have poor numeracy skills, and 40% have no digital skills. And 1 in 5 Europeans lack a high school qualification. The skills mismatch shows that Europe isn't making the best of people's talents. 40% of European employers cannot find employees with the right skills, and 30% of people work in jobs that don't match their qualification. Globalization and technology is fast changing the way people learn new skills, but their qualifications lag behind. The new skills agenda for Europe will help equip Europeans with more and better skills, by investing in people's basic and higher skills, by better connecting the world of business and education, by recognizing skills learned outside of school. Europe, making the best of people's talents.